Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm AJ.
And I'm Vanessa.
And today we're doing another Eat With Me! Woo! What are we eating today, Vanessa?
Chicken Alfredo.
Yes, we're eating some fettuccine chicken Alfredo.
It's not fettuccine.
Is it? Not.
That's the noodles, right?
Oh. Chicken Alfredo pasta. And we have some Parmesan cheese and some red pepper flakes, which is over there. Here it is. Wow.
I'm waiting for the cheese.
Okay. This is homemade and we warmed it up.
It was supposed to have pesto in it, but the pesto went old.
Yeah. Oh, should I put some on mine? Okay. I don't like too much.
Wow, that's like
What is that? Not,
5 little.
No, it's more than that. Okay. Ready? Vanessa actually has already tried this. Actually, I did too. Mm-hmm.
Yum.
Yeah. But yesterday you didn't have any Parmesan cheese or pepper flakes.
No. It was good.
Yeah. Vanessa brought this for lunch yesterday to school.
Mhm. I have water also.
Mhm. Today is Sunday.
That's about it.
Yeah, that's about it. Literally, we're gonna do laundry and that's about it. We filmed the mukbang yesterday, actually.
Yeah.
I don't know if we mentioned it, but it's getting hot now. Finally. I think it's already like 73 degrees outside.
Yeah.
And this week says highest maybe 80s. 81.
Yeah, right now it is 73.
Mm-hmm.
81, yeah.
That's crazy.
84.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Let us know in the comments if you like hot weather or cold weather.
Hot.
Mm-hmm.
At least we're not practicing outside anymore.
Yeah. I like the weather right now where it's 70s. I don't like 100s.
Oh my god.
Then it gets too hot.
Yeah. One time, I tried to practice in 100-degree weather, like outside in the front, and I only could stay for like 5 minutes.
Yeah. You start melting like a popsicle.
Mhm.
So, pretty good. I don't like when it's too cold.
I don't really like cold weather actually.
Sometimes in the morning it gets really cold, and then later on it gets really hot.
Yeah, like in the house it's really cold.
Mm-hmm. When I used to go to school in person, I'd be like, what do I even wear?
Cause it's cold?
Mm-hmm. But then it gets hot.
Yeah. I need more. It's not spicy at all. Yesterday, he brought me boba from our boba place. He said that in the last video, I think.
Yeah.
But he brought me these curly fries that were really good, but they were really spicy.
Yeah, they were only supposed to be mild.
Yeah, but the boba place, their spice level is like crazy spicy.
Mm-hmm.
So we ate a few of them, and I gave them to my friend in guard, and she literally ate the whole bag.
Yeah, she can tolerate more spice than us. Because they asked me, what spice level do you want? And I said, oh, since these are for Vanessa, I'm gonna get mild, you know? She'll probably like that.
Yeah, I mean, I liked it, but... And there was ranch. We didn't know there was ranch in the bag.
Yeah, I forgot.
That would have been good.
It's kind of hard to see our plate even, because it's...
It was really bright.
Yeah. And like the pasta kind of blends in. Sorry if you can't see it. Yeah, here's what it looks like.
I mean, it's just Alfredo. I mean,
yeah. Mm-hmm.
oh yeah. Oh wait.
Yeah, so we're just gonna relax today. Because Vanessa's been working hard.
I have practice tomorrow, so
Yeah.
I don't think we're refilming it tomorrow.
Mm.
Didn't say that, so I don't know.
Don't you find out your results today?
Oh, from the last one, yeah.
What time will that be?
2.
Oh, that's coming up soon. If you guys, knock on wood, don't make it to the next one, do you not have practice tomorrow?
Don't make it to semifinals?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I guess maybe you'll practice for showcase
Say
then,
that.
huh?
Yeah.
Then never mind, knock on wood.
Don't say that. We want to at least make it to finals.
Mm-hmm. You've made it to finals before, right?
Pretty sure.
Well, your show is really good, so I think you'll make it.
Each time we filmed it, the show looks different. Because one time we're on the field, then we're on the field again, then we're on like another part.
Of the field, and then a different part of the gym.
No, we're not on the field anymore. We're on the place where the football, they like do
Yeah, I know.
weightlifting.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're in the gym.
Are you gonna get more?
More what?
More pasta.
Oh. Are you?
Not if you won't.
Just get it for one more.
Okay. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back for part 2. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You think it's okay if they can't really see the food? I think so. As long as we're eating it.
You see it, we're eating, right?
Mm-hmm. We're eating and talking.
I think you can see it just fine.
Yeah.
You don't have black plates.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Mommy has one, right?
She might, I don't know.
Because I remember she has a black bowl.
Yeah, she might have sold it. I don't remember.
No, I think she might have, I don't know, put it away.
No.
It might be still in there.
I don't know if you guys have heard the big news, but Disneyland is reopening on April 30th.
That's my birthday. That's almost my birthday.
Yeah, April 20. I was like, wait a minute, your birthday's not on April 30? We will not be going on opening day, but hopefully soon after.
Really?
Because it's been a long time since I went to Disneyland.
Yeah.
Maybe by the time we go, it'll be 2 years. What? No. But we also have plans to go to Disney World.
Disney World.
For their 50th anniversary.
And are we going in, like, where are we going? April 8th? Where are we going?
I believe we're going to California Adventure
Oh, yeah.
for the Touch of Disney Food Festival.
Isn't that just for the day, though?
Yeah. That's good enough for me.
Mm-hmm.
Just to get that touch of Disney. I get that's why I call it that.
Yeah.
I am a genius.
We're just a freak. I mean...
Real funny.
Laugh it up.
Yum, yum, yum.
But tum. Mmm.
Very good. So that was a 10 out of 10 would eat again. That is the end of our Eat With Me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and
don't forget to hit the bell so you can get notified whenever we post.
Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!